Hey guys, we're doing teams now for Preferred for tonight. It's 8:27:39 PM Melbourne time. And it's live. Participants 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Teams. Pardon me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Random complete. And teams are. I'll do this thing first, as always. Alright. Teams are Danny Dunn Pacers, Steve Harrison Hornets, Rhino Gorman Pelicans, Sixers with O'Rell, Rhino Gorman Knicks, Tim Compton Celtics, Jason Rupert Pistons, Mason O'Gorman Kings, Glenbow Hawks, Riley McCubbin Wizards, Danny Dunn Wolves, M.A. Rundle Spurs, Bartley Jazz, Dale Bucks, Cannon Suns, Dale Rockets, Clayton Raptors, Glenbow Warriors, Jacob Birch Magic, Mason Gorman Grizz, Clayton Hughes Thunder, Cam Nicholas Clippers, Rundle with the Lakers, O'Gorman with Mavericks, Paul Johnson with the Blazers, Jared Broadbent Bucks, Glenbow Nuggets, Cannon Cavs, Van Heat, and Steve Harrison Nets, and that's it.